In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Expedia trip to Google Calendar automatically. This process is seamless and ensures that all your travel plans are organized and in one place. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Expedia website. Make sure you're on the legitimate site to avoid any security risks. Once you're there, the next thing you'll need to do is click on the Sign In button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the website. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, but if you do, simply log in with your credentials. After signing in, go ahead and book your trip. Expedia makes this process straightforward, guiding you through your flight, hotel, or car rental bookings. Once you've confirmed your trip details, Expedia will send a confirmation email to the registered email address on your account. It's essential to make sure this email is the same one you use for your Google account, as this will link everything smoothly. Now that your trip is booked, the next step is to head over to your Google Calendar. You can easily access Google Calendar through your browser. For those unfamiliar, Google Calendar is a free calendar app from Google that helps you manage and keep track of varying events. Once in your calendar, look towards the top right corner of the page. There you'll find a gear icon which represents the Settings menu. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings to enter the configuration area. In the Settings menu, you'll want to look for an option titled Show Events Automatically Created by Gmail in My Calendar, which is in the left navigation panel. This feature allows Gmail to automatically extract event details like those from your Expedia confirmation emails and display them in your calendar. Find the checkbox labeled Show Events from Gmail and make sure this box is checked. By doing this, you enable Google Calendar to automatically add events based on information in your Gmail account. This functionality is particularly useful for trips booked through platforms like Expedia, as it can autofill details like flight times and hotel reservations into your calendar without manually entering them. Plus, having everything in Google Calendar means that you'll have easy access to travel information from all your devices, as long as they are synced to your Google account. And there you have it. Your Expedia trip will now appear automatically in your Google Calendar, ensuring you're organized and ready for your journey. By integrating these tools, you streamline your planning, making your travel experience more pleasant and stress-free. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you keep track of your next adventure with ease. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Safe travels!